Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Outlook email notifications are not giving the normal sound when new mail is received. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up Outlook, and then you want to select the File tab up at the top left. Go down and select Options on the left panel, and then on the left side, you want to select Mail. And now on the right underneath where it says Message Arrival, check mark next to where it says When New Messages Arrive, check mark Play a Sound, and then you want to select OK. And that's all you have to do. Make sure your system sound settings are turned on as well. Make sure it's not muted down here, so that could be a potential issue as well. And make sure your physical speakers are turned on as well if they have an on or off button. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.